Our Halwa Prasad is ready. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine and I'm good too. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make suji ka halwa. As you can see right now, I am in an Indian attire because today is a very special day and it is Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. So I wish you all very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. And today we are gonna start our day with prasad, that is suji ka halwa. So in Indian culture, whenever we have special day, we celebrate with a suji ka halwa. So I thought, why don't I make that and will share with all my audience and my friends. So let's begin today's video, and I'm gonna start with all ingredients. I'm gonna tell you which sort of ingredients do we need for making suji ka halwa. The first ingredient we need is this semolina, 1 cup of semolina, and same quantity for the ghee, that is clarified butter. So 1 cup of clarified butter, and then same quantity, same cup of sugar for the sweetness, and few dry fruits, whatever you like. We have added here, you can see almond, pistachio, raisins and cashew. And then we need water. Water quantity, I'll tell you later how much water we need, but yes, the water is also an ingredient. And for the flavor, you can use this cardamom. So let's begin. We are gonna start our recipe. The very first thing is we will put pan on a stove, and then we will start with clarified butter. So I'm gonna add clarified butter in pan. We are supposed to wait for 1 minute so that it will be a little bit warm. We need to heat it up, and then we are gonna add semolina. And now it's time to add semolina, and make sure you will be little careful because sometimes it can be little scary. So here you can see so many bubbles are coming, so make sure you will mix it properly and slowly. No need to rush, just try to mix it politely. Just need to mix it properly. And the temperature should be quite good. I'm gonna keep it like 8 or 9 so that it will have enough heat, and keep mixing until it will turn into a little bit brown color. Right now you can see it's quite yellowish and white, so I want it to be little brownish, not too much. If it will be too much brown, then it can be like burnt, you can have the smell. So avoid that. It should be little bit brownish, not more than that, little bit. So this is the sign where you can see ghee is separating itself from semolina, and it is little bit brownish, you can see here. That means it is the time to add water. So when you feel like it's getting brown very fast, make sure you will decrease the temperature. And now we will add water. How much water? We need to add water 3 times the quantity of semolina. So we have added 1 katori. This 1 katori of semolina, we need to add now 3 katoris of water. Same quantity but 3 times. Okay. So here we go, we will add. So whenever you are adding water, make sure you will be careful. It can be little scary. Now we will mix, and now we will need to add 2 more. You need to mix it properly so that it will blend properly with each other. And here you can see the layer of ghee, clarified butter. It smells so good, you can smell now. And now it's time to add sugar. And now we need to mix it. Make sure guys you will mix it properly, like so that sugar will be easily dissolve in the quantity of semolina and sugar should be equal, then it will be perfect match. Yes. Halwa is almost ready. We just make sure we will move it so that it will not stick to the pan, and the heat shouldn't be too much at this point. I have kept it 7 on 7, so it's not too high, not too low. And just make sure we will mix it properly, and then you can add your dry fruits on a sprinkle now directly. Here you can see on my halwa. And now you can see my halwa is ready. Smells so yummy. Most of the people, they cut cashew nuts in small pieces, but I prefer to have them whole. It depends upon you how do you want. So yeah, you can cut them in small pieces also, or as it is. It's totally your choice. And now you can see my halwa prasad is ready. So our halwa is ready, and we will serve halwa to our Ganesh ji. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a lovely day, and our halwa prasad is ready.